Hello, my name is Karina Finke and this is my final project for CIT336 class, and I will show you my final project, what I was able to finish. So when we are not logged in yet, we still can get to the products and see the product information, but we can't add the review. First we need to log in. So when we will register as a new user 1, okay, so it doesn't save the cookies here, doesn't show it when we will log in. Oops. Oh no, I forgot the password. Okay, let's just create quick another one. Okay, so now if we will check the cookies, so it has the user 2 here. Good. Okay, and it also shows us the first level of the user, so we can just update our information. When we click here, it brings us back. We still can add the reviews here. And now we will log out and doesn't show us this anymore. So now we will log in as level 3. Log in, and here we can see the product option, and if we will click here also it will bring us back, and here we also can add the submit and review. And also let's check, before I forgot, the CSS and HTML. Validate local HTML, so there's no mistakes. Good. And CSS, also no mistakes, it's good. And okay, so also we can change the size of the screen, also it works. And here here I have some little problems, so I was trying to fix it, but it just gives me error. I'll just show you my codes that I have created everything. So that's my products list where I connected it to add the review. And I have the review controller I made. I connected the review model everywhere in other controllers. So I made the add review and modify review to delete the deleted review, and also have default. Also have a review update page. So here's the code, and review delete page was the code in it, and the review model with also functions like here, add review function, get inventory review, get client review, update review, get a review, get product name, delete review, the functions, build client review, product review, review form. I think maybe some of the names maybe somewhere are incorrect. So yeah, so that's what I have done. I think that's all that we need, only that I can't show you here on the screen. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that's my final project, and thanks for watching, and have a good day and summer break. Goodbye.